cinéma, le Paris, demain je serai parti. La gare, Dakar, Bamako, Mopti, y a pas de problème, tout va bien. Aujourd'hui je me marie, j'ai confiance, amour, solo, Gao, l'Algérie, Tunisie, Italie, y a pas de problème, j'aime au Manhattan, fast food, Dakar, Sénégal, cinéma, le Paris, ascenseur pour le ghetto, il est minuit à Tokyo, il est 5 heures au Mali, quelle heure est-il? Au paradis, il est minuit à Tokyo, il est 5 heures au Mali, quelle heure est-il? Au paradis. C'est au Manhattan, fast food, Dakar, Sénégal, la grand-mère à l'hôpital Dantec, tout va bien, Caire, moi ici, toi là-bas, le visa au consulat, numéro 39, y'attend, à l'état civil, déjà l'an 2000, déjà 2000 ans, au Manhattan, fast food, Dakar, Sénégal, cinéma, le Paris, cinéma, le Paris, il est minuit à Tokyo, il est 5 heures au Mali, quelle heure est-il? Au paradis, il est minuit à Tokyo, il est 5 heures au Mali, quelle heure est-il? Au paradis, Dakar, Bamako, Rio de Janeiro, où est le problème, où est la frontière? Entre les murs, se faufiler dans l'ascenseur, ascenseur pour le ghetto, au Manhattan, fast food, Dakar, Sénégal, cinéma, le Paris, cinéma, le Paris.
This video is made by 9 students of the exchange project. We will interview 9 persons and they are going to tell us their story. The video is about immigrants. We will interview a European immigrant, a 70s immigrant, a Bolivar's immigrant and a New Days immigrant. All of them have lived this kind of experience.
He is an European immigrant. He is Martin and he is 45 years old. Martin, why did you come here?
Because I got married to a girl from my school.
Okay. How long have you been here?
Nearly 18 years.
Okay. How did the locals receive you?
I think very well.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. And how did this immigration change your life?
Well, it changed. I have to change to other customs and ways of life. They're not the same as in Ireland. Not very good.
Okay, thank you for asking my questions.
You're welcome.
This is Belen. She's 45 years old and at the age of 14 she came from Murcia to the Basque Country. Why did you came to the Basque Country?
Porque mis padres buscaban trabajo aquí. Había más trabajo aquí que en Murcia.
Because their fathers were looking for a better job. So,
And how old were you when you came from that country?
she was 13 years old.
And how did your life change from Murcia to the Basque Country?
¿Cómo cambió tu vida?
Pues radical, de una forma radical. Todos los aspectos.
was very hard to change. All her life changed.
And how did the people react when you came?
¿Cómo reaccionó la gente cuando viniste aquí?
Algunas personas bien, otras bastante mal. Son culturas, la que encontré aquí, la de Murcia, muy diferentes.
There were very different cultures, so most of the people didn't accept him or her. Es que hori oso gaitza. Thank you.
Yes. This is Jose Antonio. He is 55 years old. He lives in Bolivar, and he was the best distiller of the world. And for his job, he went to the USA. And I asked a few questions. What was the reason for emigration?
Bueno, nik hemen gauden naban, amasik urte bezala, nahi eta, bat diru gehiago esteko esperantzan, non baino. Eta nintzeko oso esperientzia politxizien zen.
He went to the USA when he was 16 to earn more money and for working hard.
And for how long in the USA?
Bueno, lehenengo temporada izatzen 6 hilabetekuek. Eta gero urte guztiak. Baina lehenengo
He went for 6 months first, and then he started going for the whole year.
Yeah, there was a big chance. And were there any problems or something?
Ez ondo tratatu inoiz ez.
The people there were very nice to him, and he said,
Did you like the experience?
Bai, barra da egin dugu gazti bantza izan.
He really liked the experience, and he says that if he had a chance to go back again, that he would.
Okay, thank you.
He came from Senegal. He lives in Markina, and he is 34 years old. Why did you come to Markina?
Okay, I've been living here for 60 years ago, and when I left Senegal to come here, it was just for a better life.
How long did you stay in Senegal?
Okay, last December I went there on holiday.
Tell me which are the differences of living there and here.
Okay, there is a big difference because we have different cultures, different customs, and then I think we can. Okay, English people used to say that when you don't do as the Romans do, we are just trying to feed ourselves by the customs of our neighborhood.
Okay. How did the people from the last country receive you?
No, they are very kind way. Okay, I feel like home, as if I am home. Okay, I'm very, very happy.
Thank you.
Sama gendegi maginya nyala wan mako bala benyi bi barsa Mane de tunya kusi besi Afrika don benareo Isi udaya